Hi SAAB friends, in this video I will show some easy steps for changing the battery on a SAAB 93NG. First remove the tube on the side of the cover for the battery and then remove the cover itself to unveil the battery. Then loosen and remove the battery cables on both battery terminals. Remove the old battery and clean the battery container. You may need to vacuum. Read the instruction for the new battery. Remove the two covers for the battery terminals. Reverse steps and last set the watch manually or by RDS. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you.